Hi, welcome to my Merit Beauty makeup routine that I'm doing on this Monday morning. Hope everyone's having a good day. I'm honestly feeling all the good vibes today on this beautiful morning. So I am so excited to share this makeup look with you guys because I am partnering with Merit Beauty for this amazing video. I genuinely I'm in love with their brand. It's so natural and just beautiful, and the makeup applies so seamlessly and, like I said, naturally. It is all cream, but I don't look shiny or anything. It just lays so nice. It is a full look using Merit head to toe. I do want to give you a little bit of info about Merit, just so you know what we're working with, and that is a sulfate and paraben free makeup brand. They are all natural and cruelty free, safe for sensitive skin, and fragrance free as well. For me, that's a big deal because I do have acne prone skin. Fragrance free is very important to me specifically. Cruelty-free, vegan, recyclable packaging. It's just too good. I honestly only shop like vegan, like the clean at Sephora brands and things like that, because I do not need all of those chemicals on my face. So that's amazing, and that all fits with this morning's good vibes. I do have an affiliate link below, so shop through the link in my description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We're gonna get back into the swing of YouTube videos, I promise. But yeah, this one was so honestly just like relaxing to film this morning, especially when it comes out this good, and like every time you apply a new product you're more impressed. It was just a really good experience, so I'm really excited to share this with you guys. Without further ado, let's get into the makeup look. Okay, shall we get started? So here I am, barefaced. I do have some acne issues going on, so just keep that in mind because this is not a full coverage makeup brand, but it still has a beautiful finish and just application and all of that. And we should be embracing our blemishes anyways, right? So let's get into it. I have this cute little like sack that they sent everything in, and I've just kept it in here. It's so cute. If you hear little sounds, my dog is so needy and he's like at my feet with his bone, like trying to get me to play with him. We are going to start off this look with our foundation. Mine is in the shade Linen, and it is a foundation stick. I personally love foundation sticks. I've used a couple in my day. And then what's also so nice is they have this like compacted blending brush that I actually use for everything all the way through. But yeah, it's cute. It has the little Merit logo on there. I just lather this baby on because of my skin blemishes. I do kind of put it on heavy, just naturally. But you get to choose obviously your coverage and how hard you want to go in with it. Okay, and then I'm just taking the little brush and blending it out. It honestly does a pretty good job. Like, I really am not complaining about the coverage. If my acne wasn't like so dark and intense, I'm sure like you would not be able to see even a speck. And then of course there's always building coverage, but it blends out so easy. Linen matches my skin tone so perfectly. I don't like fake tan or anything normally. If I go on like vacation or something, I do. But look at it, so pretty, just blending right in, looking so natural and dewy. Oh my gosh, it's so satisfying seeing it blend in and just like fix my whole face. Remember, we're embracing natural. We're kind of going for that no makeup look today. I think that the no makeup look is just generally good for summer anyways. You know, you don't want to be like have too much heavy makeup going on in the summer. I mean, to each their own, do your thing, obviously. But sometimes it's nice to do a makeup look that's a little lighter, like if you're having a pool day or a beach day, or just feeling a more natural look. So they don't actually have bronzer in their line, and I'm a big bronzer gal. So they sent me this little bronzer stick. Well, this is the complexion stick that I just put on, but in a darker color. This one is Camel, and I actually haven't tried this one yet. So let's see the shade. Oh yeah, that's totally good for a nice natural bronzer. Oh my gosh, wait, I actually really like this. Now I'm excited. Oh my god, so good, so good. It blends really nicely because it is the same as the foundation. So it's a very flawless, seamless blend. Warmed up the face a little bit. And then we have highlighter. We love highlighter out here. So here's the highlighter, and you know, the basic beauty guru little hand behind the product. This one is called Bounce, and this is a very subtle highlighter, which is really nice because I am migrating towards the more natural makeup look, and a blinding highlighter is a little much for me these days. I mean, I think it looks great on others still, but you know, I've just been trying to like go more natural vibes. So I just put this right on where I want the highlighter, which is my cheekbones, maybe a little on the nose for fun. And then I just go back in with the same brush again. I did wipe it on a towel just to get the extra bronzer off, but then I just blend in this for just like a little add of the dewy look. Oh, so now we have their blush. So I have two options: Raspberry Beret, which is quite pigmented and dark, or this other one that I have not tried before called Terracotta, and it is a more neutral. I honestly think I want to go with the Raspberry Beret. Let's go with Raspberry, get some color in these cheeks. But oh my god, so I actually saw someone do a lifting like so with their blush, and like compared it to their other side where they like just put it on the apple, and it looked so good. Like they were so lifted, and then like a little bit onto the nose just for the sun-kissed vibe. I'm gonna add a little more because I almost don't think that was enough, which is crazy because normally I'm so light with blush. But oh yeah, we're seeing it now, ladies. We're seeing it now. Oh my god, wait, I'm obsessed with the blush. Okay, so back to what I was saying. My camera died, just had to switch it out. But we have brow gel, and I always use brow gel. I never use pencil or whatever. Again, going for the natural vibe these days. Mine is just in the shade brown, and then I literally just brush it through, and I brush it up at the same time. I just messed that up, ignore me, but don't ignore me. Yeah, I've also been growing my brows out lately, so they're bushy and can like fan nicely. But look at that, so good, amazing. Okay, we're almost getting through with this look. Ah yes, so then can't forget mascara. And I really want to highlight this mascara because I'm a big mascara gal, because my lashes are really long actually, and I've always like loved trying different mascaras to see which ones just like make them pop off. And this one is one of the best ones I've used in a long time. I genuinely love it so much. Like, it's so good. This one's called in the Perfect Black shade. I don't know if there's other shades, but this one says it's Perfect Black. Oh my god. Immediately so good. I am almost out of this. I use it every single day. So I'm going to go purchase a new one ASAP. So good. But then I'm also the type of gal for lower. So let's add a little bit on the lower lashes. To finish off the look, of course, the lip product. I'm a big lip product gal. I always like put my lips on, right? Like, can't leave the house without my lips on. So I'm that girl. So today we have this little, what exactly would you call this? Oh, it's a tinted lip oil in Pink Beet. So let's give this a whirl. It's pretty pigmented. This is the perfect shade for me. All my lipsticks are this shade. I never stray from this shade. I am a like pinky mauve lip gal for life. But yeah, so now that we put the lips on, the most necessary step of the routine, we are complete. This is the look for my little makeup routine with Merit Beauty. I am obsessed. So don't forget to shop through my link below and try out all these products. And yeah, comment below your thoughts on this video. Let me know if you buy some, how you like it, and just other suggestions for videos. Thank you guys so much for watching my little Merit Beauty makeup look. It was honestly so fun. It was kind of like, it was therapeutic. I feel like I haven't done a makeup video in a long time, and it's the morning right now. It's good vibes, so we're off to a good start. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.